to the stage none other. This is my cousin, y'all. Mind yours too. Come on, we want y'all to welcome to the stage none other than Lee Barnes. Lee Barnes, y'all. Coming in his own way.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, y'all having a good time? Make some noise. Beautiful. We're going to take a quick moment and we're going to call up none other than Miss Deborah Lewis. She's going to talk to you about this organization. Can we give her a hand as she comes?
Everybody enjoy themselves tonight. We want to thank y'all for coming out on tonight. It's truly a blessing to see all of you. A lot of you was there during the 10 years that Jock did the Founders Christmas Gala. And you know, you took a break to go to school and all this, and then COVID and all this, so we're back. But here's the beauty of it. Here's the beauty of it. Okay. Here's the beauty of it. Y'all know that Jock got married last year, that last November. But you know, I always say, you know, we really need to pray for this couple, because this couple here is a powerful couple that God put together. Jock did that gala for 10 years, right? Miss Terri has been doing a Sounds of the Season Gala. This would be her 10th year. So now, we merged it together, merged the Sounds of Christmas and the Sounds of the Season together, and we got Sounds of the Christmas Season. How about that? Yeah, we got to pray for this couple because they are a powerful couple that God has put together. They have a lot of things that they plan to do for God. So y'all continue to pray, because y'all know the devil don't like that. Y'all know that. But listen, the other part of it is that most of you that was there with us back then, you know that when we stopped with the gala that was collecting gifts for nursing homes, we said we would come back and collect gifts for homeless high school students. How many of you know that there's high school students out there that don't know where they're going to lay their head, but they're still trying to get their education? While we got some of them laying up in their parents' house, dropping out of school. So we need to help these young people, and we're so glad to do it. So we formed this organization, nonprofit organization, called North Texas Empowerment Seeds. And through this organization, we brought the gala back. Also, in May, we will be giving away scholarships. So you'll be hearing more about that. But tonight we have with us a couple ladies that's here, and I'm going to have them to come and introduce themselves. But they're from Forward ISD from the help. It's called Acronym Help. And I think it's Homeless Education Linking Partners. And we are their partner now.
All right.
So I'm going to have them to come up briefly and tell you a little bit about their program. And then we're going to get back to it. I was not intending to come behind Lee Barnes. I was not intending to come behind him. It was actually on the program to come a little bit earlier. So I hate to bring the program down a little bit, but they're going to bring it back up. And listen, the reason why this space here is that anybody want to get up and dance, they can get up and dance. So, okay, so would y'all come up now and introduce yourselves and tell us about the health program?
Good evening, everybody. My name is Letitia Tolden. I'm the coordinator for student well-being with Fort Worth ISD. My program is actually Project Reach. Me and Itzia work with the most at-risk students in the district. My program focuses on the pregnant and parenting students, and yes, we do have homeless students that are pregnant or parenting. So we we're very happy to hear from Deborah so that we can partner up and get some of these children's needs and their babies' needs taken care of this school year.
Good evening, my name is Iti Osma. I work with the health program. Thank you. I work with the health program. I help coordinate services for our babies experiencing homelessness in Fort Worth ISD. Often you think about how large Fort Worth ISD is and you think that, you know, partners have it. You know, the school has it. We have enough to help everyone. But in all actuality, this year we have almost 2,000 students labeled as homeless. And we know that number is going to increase by the end of the school year. Last year, by the time we ended, we were close to 3,000 students experiencing homelessness. And that looks very different everywhere you go. I'm so sorry about the static, guys. So for the majority of our students, they are living doubled up or even tripled up. They're living with multiple people in their household. Some families are living out of their car. Many are moving to hotels and motels because affordable housing is just so difficult to come by. And we come to these wonderful events and I see you guys just enjoying yourselves, and I know I'm looking forward to the holidays and spending that with my family, but at the same time, it's really hard for us to think about us enjoying ourselves and knowing that our students are without a meal, without clothes, without shoes, those basic items that we just take for granted. So when Miss Deborah reached out, we were so enthused and so excited because oftentimes, you know, we think of the little ones, but we forget about our high school kids who, like you guys mentioned, they're just like this far away from living in their car or not knowing, you know, once I give birth, what am I going to do? So we really appreciate your help. We really appreciate your support because without partners such as yourselves, it would be so hard for us to touch the lives of each and every single one of our students. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Listen, I want to say thank you to everybody that brought gifts out tonight. And it's still not too late. We're gonna get together on Monday morning and give the gifts out. So if you want to do something before then, you know, if you're homeless, you always need food, right? So the gift card at one of the I hate to say it, fast food restaurants. These kids they have fast food restaurant all around the school. So they don't have to have transportation to get a meal to eat. So gift cards for fast food restaurant if you like me and don't like to go shopping. But we appreciate anything that you give, and we're going to get it to them on Monday morning so that they can get it to the students before school is out. I want to thank my, and I know she probably don't want me to call her name out, but I can't think of the organization, but I want to thank my classmate, Sandra Baldwin. She has an organization that gives out things during Christmas, and they gifted us with the caps and glove sets to give to the students. So we have more than what we assigned for, so you can give those to other students also. So again, thank y'all so much for getting gifts, and listen for us for what we're doing in May. Thank you.